जी बेटा, हाँ जी।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Jigyasa. Sorry, Gargi. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Jigyasa.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ivanshu. कैसे हो रहे हैं आपके पेपर्स भाई? How was the second day?
I'm good.
How was the second day?
I'm good.
No problems faced?
No, ma'am. No.
That's
Ma'am?
so good. Yes, beta.
No, ma'am. CQ will be there in the social exam.
बेटा जरूरी नहीं है। ऑब्जेक्टिव होंगे, ऑब्जेक्टिव होंगे, हो सकता है ब्लैंक्स आ जाए, हो सकता है ट्रू फॉल्स आ जाए, हो सकता है मैच द फॉलोइंग आ जाए। ठीक है, हो सकता है सारे मैक्सिमम एमसीक्यूज ही हो, है ना? ठीक है,
ओके मैम।
हाँ, ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा ही होगा बेटा, ऑब्जेक्टिव और सब्जेक्टिव दोनों होंगे। ठीक है,
ओके मैम।
ओके।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून वीरेश। Will we be more are expected to come or shall we start?
And we shall start.
है ना? ठीक है, तो I think we completed the history chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Question answers we have done.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So
No ma'am.
today let's do the question answers. Fine.
Yes ma'am.
चलिए, Monday we
Ma'am,
have
we
a
were
class.
doing revision.
Revisions करें? Monday also we have a
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
तो चलो ठीक है, रिवीजन कर लेते हैं। We were doing that worksheet, no? कुछ कर रहे थे हम लोग।
Ma'am, MCQ worksheet, geography,
And we have
chapter
to
1.
decide the answer.
वो हो गई थी कि नहीं हुई थी, ये बता दो बस बेटा।
Can we do some answers?
हाँ
मैम, हम लोगों ने कर ली थी वो।
कर ली थी ना, तो हम एक काम करते हैं कि हम आप, हाँ, I will share one another worksheet with you. Okay? चैप्टर 1 का कोई हमने एमसीक्यू बेस कुछ करा है क्या चैप्टर 1 का?
History or civics?
हाँ बोलो बच्चे।
And which subject?
History or civics?
हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 1।
And we have done many.
तो किसका?
And we can do civics.
Let us have it for history or for civics?
And civics.
Civics. Civics.
Okay. Fine. So you give me a second so that I can do it for civics also. Civics chapter 1, right? PowerShell. Beta, I am sharing an image with you. Okay, can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Ma'am, we have to do this in fair.
इसको कर लो एज अ वर्कशीट, कर लो रिवीजन वर्कशीट. हम और दे रहे हैं आप लोगों को. ठीक है?
Can we do it orally?
वर्बल करनी है?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Written.
ma'am.
चलो ओरल कर लेते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो लेट मी रीड आउट. रुको. कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट इज, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. गार्गी.
Ma'am, I can't see the question.
Question is community government is option 1. Sorry. In Sri Lanka, the following क्या है? The representation ratio. ठीक है, Dutch and question is the representation ratio of Dutch and French communities in the central government in Belgium is.
Ma'am, equal representation, option C.
It is equal representation. Option C is the correct answer. Then the next question is, which one of the following is a form of power sharing? Naina?
Ma'am, all of the above.
Pakka? ठीक है, very good. All of the above. Okay. Then who else do we have in the class? Just a second. Viresh. Okay, Aiza, बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, false.
हाँ. Which are the ethnic groups in Sri Lanka?
Ma'am, Sinhalese and
Ma'am, Sinhalese
And
Tamil.
And Sri Lankan Tamil.
हाँ, Tamils are categorized into two, Indian Tamils and Sri Lankan Tamils. ठीक है? Right?
Yes.
ठीक है. चलिए. Next आ गया आपका question. Community government has been established in Belgium. Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. Please repeat the question.
Question is, community government has been established in Belgium.
No, ma'am.
बेटा इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ट्रू और
It is
फॉल्स?
false. It is false.
तो कौन सी गवर्नमेंट आई थी भाई? कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट कहाँ पे एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी? सृष्टि?
Ma'am, in Belgium.
समर्थ, इट इज करेक्ट बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट ही तो आई थी बेल्जियम में, एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी नहीं हुई थी? चलो next is Srishti, again fill in the blank. Can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out.
A form of government is formed by the people belonging to one community is known as dash government.
Okay, so what would be the answer?
Ma'am, a community government.
Yes, correct. It is community government. Next question. Can we have Jigyasa answering? Name the languages which are spoken in Belgium. Beta Jigyasa.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. So,
मैम याद नहीं आ रहा है, मैंने पढ़ा तो था.
कोई नहीं. Can we have Vinesh answering this question?
Which question, ma'am? Can you please repeat?
Sixth one.
Ma'am, Dutch.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, German.
Yes. And French.
Ma'am, may I?
And French.
Yes,
and
ma'am,
French.
French.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. कोई नहीं. Next. Why are some Tamils in Sri Lanka known as Indian Tamils? Can we have Mohit Gangwar answering this question?
Ma'am,
Mohit?
may I?
नहीं, मोहित बताओ. पुनीत, ये कौन थे? सामर्थ थे ये?
Ma'am.
रुको, पहले मोहित को बताने दो. मोहित बताओ भाई.
May I?
Mohit is not there in the class. मोहित, आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है.
May I?
चलो हिमांशु बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, some Tamils in Sri Lanka known as Indian Tamils because their ancestors were from India who during colonial period were forced to taken as plantation workers in Sri Lanka.
हाँ. Workers. Very good. Gargi, can you say this answer again?
Yes, ma'am. Some Tamils in Sri Lanka are known as Indian Tamils because their forefathers had migrated to Sri Lanka at the time of colonial period as plantation workers.
Very good. Himanshu, your answer was correct. Very good, beta. Chaliye, can we have Aiza answering the next question? How can power be shared among different social groups in society? How can power be shared among different social groups in society?
Ma'am, through horizontal and vertical division of power.
Society, social groups की बात कर रहे हैं. Social groups.
Ma'am, I don't know.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I don't know this one.
Okay, you don't know this. Anybody for this answer?
May I?
Yes, Himanshu.
Ma'am, power shared among different social groups such as the religion, linguistic group, community government.
हाँ. भाई देखो, जो सोशल ग्रुप्स होते हैं उनमें पावर कैसे शेयर होती है. जो लिंग्विस्टिक ग्रुप्स होते हैं आपके, जो रिलीजियस ग्रुप्स होते हैं उनमें, या जो कास्ट ग्रुप्स होते हैं उनमें. ठीक है ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है. What majoritarian measures were taken to establish Sinhala supremacy? I am sharing the worksheet with you. 2 मिनट दो मेरे को बस. This worksheet I am sharing with you by the time you answer this question. बताओ भाई, who will tell this answer? Naina?
May I?
Can you please repeat the question?
Chalo, I am sharing this. I am sharing this thing with you. The worksheet only I am sharing it with you.
Ma'am, may I tell this?
Chalo, what majoritarian What majoritarian measures were taken to establish Sinhala supremacy?
Ma'am, I was telling.
हाँ बताओ.
Ma'am, in 1956, an act was passed in which Sinhala
An act was
recognized
passed. Nana, an act was passed. ठीक है? हाँ.
An act was passed in which Sinhala was recognized as an only official language, and Tamil was disregarded, and the government also followed the policies that favored Sinhala applicants,
ठीक है.
and the Sinhalas were given the positions of government jobs and university.
ठीक है. Very good.
The constitution was also formed, which protected and fostered Buddhism.
Which protected and fostered foster Buddhism. ठीक है. Foster और protected का मतलब एक ही होता है बेटा वैसे. ठीक है. चलिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका. सबसे पहला वाला क्वेश्चन है, which is not a form of power sharing? Vertical, horizontal, division among various social groups, division of power among the people. आयजा बताओ. आयजा.
Option D, division of power among the people.
Division of power among the
People.
हाँ, among the people. Option D is the correct answer. ठीक है. Then what is the main difference between prudential reason for power sharing and moral reason for power sharing? Srishti Gautam, can we have you answering this question? Main difference क्या है prudential और moral reason में of power sharing?
Just a minute, ma'am.
मैम नहीं आए.
Wait, let her answer.
Ma'am, the prudential reason stress that power sharing will bring our better outcomes, whereas the moral reason emphasizes the very act of power sharing as valuable.
Yes. See, Gargi, can you also tell this answer? Srishti, correct answer, beta. Yes, Gargi.
And according to me, the prudential reason for power sharing is based on true facts and figures, while the moral reason highlights the very spirit of democracy.
This is also correct. See, Srishti, what you have told, that is also correct. What Gargi has told, that is also correct, because in the book we have 3 reasons, prudential reasons and 3 moral reasons. Out of these 3, anyone you can use to show difference between prudential and the moral reasons. I hope I am clear. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question we have already done. Then why is power sharing desirable? Why is it desirable? Can we have Viresh answering this question?
Ma'am, it's desirable because, ma'am, the groups get equal rights.
Okay, not so appropriate. Can we have Jigyasa answering?
Yes, ma'am.
Batao.
Ma'am, power sharing is desirable because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between the social groups.
Very good. And
it also ensures the stability of political order.
Yes. Very good. अगर ये 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो आप
Political unity is increased.
हाँ, अगर ये 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो इतना अगर आप लिखते हो, that is sufficient. ठीक है. Power sharing is desirable because it avoids any kind of conflict among the social groups, and moreover it ensures stability in the governance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Next question is, how does democracy accommodate different social groups? How does democracy accommodate different social?
May I?
Yes, Himanshu.
Ma'am, democracy accommodates different social groups by providing equality to all in terms of economic, political, and social life. Uh, a democratic government also makes several provisions for the weaker section of the society. Hence, a democracy involves not only the strong groups of the society but also the weaker groups.
ठीक है, very good, very good. Anybody else for the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. May I tell him one point?
Yes, बेटा. हाँ जी बेटा, बताओ बच्चे समर्थ.
Ma'am, it provides, ma'am, equality, liberty, and fair representation to all people, irrespective of their caste, creed, color, religion.
Yes, और इसमें आप बेटा एग्जाम्पल बता सकते हो किसका किसका बता सकते हो एग्जाम्पल आप इसमें? बेल्जियम का, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the answer clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. What do you mean by community government? How has it been established in Belgium?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Naina.
Ma'am, community government is a kind of government which is elected by the people who like the people which have their own language or community, like Dutch, French, and German speaking. Ma'am, it was established in Belgium.
You are not clear, Naina. Your voice is not coming.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was thinking. I don't.
Can I tell the second part?
Second part बता दो, आप बता दो हिमांशु.
Ma'am, it has been established in Belgium by electing by people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French, and German speaking.
ठीक है बेटा, देखो सीधी सी बात है, जो कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट थी बेल्जियम में उसका एस्टेब्लिशमेंट क्यों हुआ था? एनीबडी एल्स फॉर द सेम आंसर?
To recognize each and every community like as an individual, that all have equal rights and all.
To ensure equality among all the social groups that were there in Belgium, namely Dutch, French, and the Germans. Though Germans were just 1%, still it was ensured that they also have their representation in the government. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
And it was established in Belgium because of the conflict that was there between the Dutch and the French due to their, differences in the majority in the capital city and the whole country. ठीक है?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो. Then अच्छा चलो, इसमें हम आपसे डिटेल नहीं पूछेंगे, आप हमें सिर्फ इतना बता दो, which are the 4 forms of power sharing in the modern democracy? Yes, गार्गी, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बच्चे, आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आती है, मुझे बहुत कान लगा के सुनना पड़ता है.
Ma'am, the 4 forms of power sharing are: first, horizontal division; second, vertical division; third, division of power between various social and linguistic groups; and fourth, division of power between pressure groups and political parties.
Okay, can we have Viresh telling what kind of horizontal division of power we have in modern democracy? Viresh?
Ma'am, the division of power between Lok Sabha, Parliament, judiciary, and executive.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम?
Organs of the government.
Yes.
Organs of the government.
Very good. Very good. Organs of the horizontal division of power means the power is divided among the various organs of the government, and this system is also known as the system of dash and dash.
Check and balances.
Checks and balances. Very good. Very good. Very good. Who keeps a check on whom?
Ma'am, each of the organ keeps a check on another organ.
But then judiciary works independently and keeps वो is more vigilant towards the working of the executive and the legislature. Fine.
But judiciary is appointed by executive.
बेटा अपॉइंट होती तो क्या हो गया, पर जब एक बार अपॉइंट कर दिया तो फिर आपकी वो गई. मतलब प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने अपॉइंट करा, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने सजेस्ट करा, प्रेसिडेंट ने अपॉइंट करा, बट जब वो बन गया जज, सीजेआई हो गया, चीफ जस्टिस हो गया, उसके बाद वो जो है इज नॉट बाउंड टू लिसन टू दीज पीपल. ठीक है ना. उसका रीजन ये है कि जुडिशरी वर्क्स इंडिपेंडेंटली. अगर जुडिशरी हमारी बायस्ड हो जाएगी तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो जुडिशरी को इंडिपेंडेंटली वर्क करने के लिए ये फ्री हैंड दिया जाता है कि इवन इफ the prime minister has appointed and if the prime minister goes wrong in his governance, then judiciary of course can raise questions on his working. हमेशा सवाल उठा लिए जाते हैं कि भाई ऐसा क्यों कर रही है सरकार. मतलब जो एक एग्जांपल हम हमेशा देते हैं, अब वो बहुत ऑब्सोलीट भी हो गया है, बट स्टिल जब डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ था तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सीजीआई ने ये क्वेश्चन पुट अप करा था कि लोगों ने इतनी पिटिशंस डाली थी कि भाई ऐसे समय पे डिमोनेटाइजेशन किया गया कि हमारे बच्चों की शादी थी, हम शादी के समय हम पैसा नहीं निकाल पाए, ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, ये प्रॉब्लम्स हुई वो प्रॉब्लम्स हुई. तो इन सब चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए भाई पीआईएल वगैरह काफी लोगों ने दिया. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि भाई सरकार को कहा कि भाई जवाब दो, आपने जब जो चीज इनिशिएट करा, आपका जो भी मोटिव था उस मोटिव को आप बताओ, और दूसरा आप हमें ये भी बताओ कि भाई कितना सक्सेसफुल रहे आप अपने इस चीज को करने में. आपने कहा कि भाई हमें ब्लैक मनी को जो है पकड़ना था, या जो भी रीजन XYZ रीजन था, तो how much how much of your target was achieved? Were you able to crack that or not? तो ये सब चीजों के लिए of course the government is answerable. अगर कल को आप क्लासेस, जैसे आज एक बड़ा सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है, आज की डेट में इट इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस. माँ बाप कहते हैं बच्चा हमारा क्लास ले रहा है, बच्चे को मार्क्स क्यों नहीं मिल रहे हैं, आप बताओ. तो हम ये कहते हैं आप बताओ, आपके साथ बच्चा बैठ के क्लास ले रहा है, क्या आप ये चेक करते हो कि बच्चा क्लास ही ले रहा है कि कुछ और कर रहा है. तो ठीक ऐसे ही गवर्नमेंट को भी, अगर गवर्नमेंट कोई काम करती है या कुछ इनिशिएट करती है, तो जुडिशरी उसको पे ये चेक रखती है एज दिस थिंग कि भाई जो भी काम हो रहा है या जो भी पॉलिसीज इनिशिएट हो रहे हैं, उनका कहीं पे भी अगर ग्रीवेंसेस हैं उसके अंदर, अगर कोई भी कंप्लेंट करता है उसके अगेंस्ट, तो जुडिशरी हैज टू कीप अ चेक ऑन दैट एज वेल. हाँ, वो ये नहीं कह सकती कि भाई प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने मेरा नाम सजेस्ट करा था, मेरे को तो प्रेसिडेंट ने अपॉइंट करा था, मैं जो है उसके अगेंस्ट नहीं जाऊंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो ये जो चेक रखने वाला काम है, ये गवर्नमेंट को भी एंश्योर करना पड़ेगा बच्चे कि गवर्नमेंट जो काम कर रही है, जो पॉलिसीज ला रही है, वो क्या वाकई में उतनी फ्रूटफुल है कि नहीं है, क्या जिस मोटिव से वो उसको ला रहे हैं क्या वो सक्सेसफुल रहेगा नहीं रहेगा. ठीक ऐसे ही हमारे पेरेंट्स ने अगर हमें डिवाइसेस ला के दे दिए हैं टू डू द क्लासेस, आर दे कीपिंग अ चेक ऑन अस दैट व्हाट वी आर एग्जैक्टली हाउ वी आर यूजिंग दोस डिवाइसेस. Are we doing sincerely our classes, or we are simply playing the games, fooling them, keeping a book in front or keeping the mobile inside the book and showing as if we are studying, but we are playing inside? So वो चीज अलग हो गई, बट चेक तो रखना पड़ेगा ना. आप ये समझ लो मम्मी पापा एक्ट एज जुडिशरी, आपने डिमांड करी किसी चीज की तो दे आर फुलफिलिंग दैट, ठीक है, बट देन दे नीड टू कीप अ चेक एज वेल. नो, तो वो एक जुडिशरी की तरह एक्ट करना पड़ेगा उनको, जिससे कि आप जो कर रहे हो एटलीस्ट उन्हें पता रहे कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. कल को कोई उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछता है, पुटअप करता है कि भाई बेटा ऐसा, भाई पेरेंट्स को से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, बच्चा आपके साथ था, घर पर था, आपने कितना बच्चे पे ध्यान रखा. तो एटलीस्ट पेरेंट्स आर नॉट ब्लाइंड, दे आर नॉट ब्लाइंड सेइंग कि भाई हमें नहीं पता, हम तो अपने कामों में बिजी थे. ऐसा नहीं होता, हम ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं दे सकते, है ना. जब आप घर में रह के बच्चे पे आप जो है सर्वेलेंस नहीं रख पा रहे हो, तो हम इतनी दूर बैठ के क्लास ले रहे हैं ऑनलाइन, तो हम कैसे सर्वेलेंस रखें बच्चे पे. तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसकी आती है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में. ये इक्वल हम एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शेयर करते हैं, पेरेंट्स एज वेल एज टीचर्स. हमको भी ये चेक रखना है कि भाई बच्चा अगर लिख रहा है, अटेंडेंस डाल रहा है, ग्रुप में प्रेजेंट, तो क्या बच्चा वाकई में इज ज्वाइनिंग द क्लास और नॉट, है ना. सिर्फ इसलिए कि हाँ बच्चे ने प्रेजेंट लिख दिया तो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खत्म नहीं हो जाती है. हमारी भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं एज पेरेंट्स, उनकी भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं, एंड स्टूडेंट्स एज स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों की भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बनती हैं. ठीक है ना, क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the last question says, does power sharing lead to weakening of the country? Give reasons for your answer. क्या पावर शेयरिंग जो है कंट्री को वीक करता है? अगर आप कहते हो yes, you have to give your answer, reasons. If you say no, again you have to give your reasons. बताओ. Who will tell this answer?
May I?
Yes, गार्गी. बेटा एक चीज और बता दे, हम आप लोगों को इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्रिपेयर रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इस बार जो पैटर्न है वो केवल रटी रटाई चीजों पे नहीं आएगा, आपकी थिंकिंग एबिलिटीज को भी देखा जाएगा कि अगर आपसे इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं तो क्या आप कैपेबल हैं उन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करने के लिए कि नहीं. आप हमारे पेपर में इस तरीके की चीजें जरूर पाएंगे, ठीक है, बिकॉज सीबीएसई ने यूटीज में बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ये प्रैक्टिस अभी से देनी पड़ेगी बेटा, आपके फाइनल्स में भी इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस ही आएंगे, ठीक है ना. चलो
Yes, ma'am.
गार्गी was telling.
Ma'am, the answer is no. Power sharing does not weaken the country. It rather increases the power of the country by reducing the chances of conflicts and increasing political stability.
हाँ जी भाई, जो हम पावर शेयरिंग डिजायरेबल बताते हैं तो उसी में से हमें अपने पॉइंट्स लेने हैं, ठीक है. आई थिंक दिस इज गिवन देयर ओनली, इजंट इट गार्गी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो आप ये समझ लो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस भी दे आर गोइंग टू गिव यू कि भाई जहां पे आपकी अपनी थिंकिंग एबिलिटी को आपको इनहेंस करना है, ठीक है. डू वी हैव टाइम फॉर मोर?
Ma'am, 10 minutes.
We have 9 minutes.
तो हम ऐसा करते हैं, क्विकली हम एमसीक्यूज आपसे पूछते हैं, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
In Sri Lanka, the following principle is in operation: majoritarianism, community government, separation of powers, none of the above. All can answer collectively. In Sri Lanka, in Sri Lanka, the following principle is in operation: majoritarianism, community government, separation of powers, none of the above.
Majoritarian government.
Majoritarianism, right. Then the system of distribution of power among three organs of the government, legislature, executive and judiciary, is known as horizontal distribution of power, vertical distribution of power, separation of powers, none of the above.
Horizontal.
It is the horizontal division of power. चलिए अब हम और क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. ये बताइए, how many times did Belgium amended its constitution regarding power sharing? ये MCQ नहीं है, सिंगल क्वेश्चन है ये. How many times did Belgium amend its constitution regarding power sharing? You all can give the answer collectively. बताओ.
3 times.
4 times.
How many of you say 4 times? Raise your hands so that I can see. Okay. 3 participants. And how many of you say 3 times? Those who say 3 times?
Ma'am, my hand was raised for previous time.
It was for the
So
previous.
I'm also
It
with
was
4
raised
times.
later.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we
Naina,
also.
Gargi and Samarth say that for 3 times it was amended, and rest of you say for 4 times, right?
Yes, ma'am, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
4 times the constitution was amended. Okay.
Where it is mentioned?
In the book it is written, beta. I'll tell you, wait.
Ma'am, just under the heading accommodation in Belgium.
Yes.
I remember.
Exactly. There, from there only. Okay. Right? See,
Yes, ma'am.
5th line. Okay, 4 times it was amended. Now the next question is, what does the term majoritarianism signify? What does the term majoritarianism signify? Srishti will tell this answer. as a
May I?
yes, Gargi. Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, it refers to establishing the power of the majority community.
Haan. See, the term majoritarianism signifies a belief that the majority community should rule a country. Fine. Now,
Yes.
where does the majority of population of Belgium live? Which region?
Ma'am, Flemish region.
Flemish region.
Flemish region.
Sonia.
Flemish region.
It is the
59%.
Flemish region. Very good. Flemish region. Okay. Next is with how many countries Belgium shares its border boundaries? How many? You have to tell the numbers.
Ma'am, 4.
Everyone agrees for 4? It is 4 only. Very good, Samarth.
Ma'am, 4.
4. Buddhism is the religion of?
4.
Buddhism is the religion of which country? Sri Lanka, Belgium?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Very good.
Excuse
Very
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the book only 3 countries are mentioned for Belgium.
नहीं बेटा, फ्रांस, नीदरलैंड, रुको,
Germany and Luxembourg.
फ्रांस, नीदरलैंड, जर्मनी एंड लक्जमबर्ग 4 हैं बेटा.
Ma'am, in my book only 3 were there.
Hey, what is this? रुक जाओ, let me check. Belgium. Belgium, Belgium, Belgium. Where is Belgium? फ्रांस तो ये रहा. एक मिनट बस बता रहे हैं. नहीं बेटा, 3 कंट्रीज नहीं है, 4 कंट्रीज हैं गार्गी. आपकी क्या लेटेस्ट बुक है? लेटेस्ट बुक है आपकी?
No, ma'am, it's the old edition.
हाँ, तो फिर नहीं, तो 4 कंट्रीज ही हैं. ठीक है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Next question is, which city was chosen as the headquarters of the European Union? Which city? It was Brussels. Very good.
Brussels.
What does the federal division of power imply? Federal division of power क्या imply करता है?
Ma'am, the vertical distribution of power.
Very good. It implies the
Vertical distribution.
Vertical distribution of power, or we can say sharing power among the different levels of the government. Very good. चलिए आप next question पे आइए. Give any 2 reasons for the breakout of civil war in Sri Lanka. 2 reasons for the breakout of civil war in Sri Lanka. Anybody who would like to answer this question?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Gargi.
And the disregard of Tamil, and second is the ignorance towards the interest of the people belonging to Tamil community.
हाँ बेटा, लास्ट पॉइंट थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं हुआ गार्गी, मेरे को जोर से बोलो, मुझे समझ नहीं आया आपने क्या बोला बच्चे.
And the second point is that ignorance of the interest of the Tamil community.
Yes, the ignorance of the interest of the Tamil community. Very good. Next question is, I think इसमें से तो हमने काफी चीजें पूछ ली थी आपसे, है ना? इसका एक वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. बताओ, after reading the lesson, do you think that power sharing is desirable in a democracy or any other form of government? List the values drawn from the above statement. ये हमने करा हुआ है क्या क्वेश्चन? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
तो बताओ, इसका आंसर बताओ, या इसको हम कल करेंगे. थोड़ा डिटेल्ड क्वेश्चन है, and the meeting is going to end any minute. बहुत कम समय बचा है. I hope today's class will help you in your UTs, right? Plus prepare your chapters in such a manner that you are able to answer certain value-based questions also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Odds questions
Yes, ma'am.
भी आपके आ सकते हैं, तो इन क्वेश्चंस को आपको पता होना चाहिए किस तरीके से हमें करना है. ठीक है बेटा?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए, and all the best for your tomorrow's exam. Do well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
चलिए,
Thank
ठीक.
you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Have a nice day,
Okay,
ma'am.
bacha, thank you
Nice
so
day,
much.
ma'am.
God bless you all. God bless you all. Now we'll meet on Monday. Monday we have a class, right?
Yes, ma'am. We have.
Monday